Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and today we have a really nice nail drill from Kredioo. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but that's how I'm gonna go about pronouncing the name. So thank you so much to this company for reaching out to me once again. They're absolutely amazing, very inexpensive, and I always recommend them. I do have another video showing me reviewing one of their other nail drills as well. So this is an electric nail drill, very compact and very efficient. It doesn't take a lot of space or anything. So if you are looking for an inexpensive, good quality nail drill that you can just place on your desk, this is absolutely definitely recommended by me. So I like how it includes the nail drill machine, of course, a handpiece, connecting wire, AC adapter, an operation manual, which I showed you in the beginning. It also includes 6 nail drill bits, and it also includes 50 sanding bands. So that's really nice. And right now I'm actually going to show you what it sounds like for you guys to hear, if it is convenient for you all or not. So what I really like is its components. I like how it has the LED display, indicator light, it has the forward/reverse touching button on the top. It also has on, off, and speed control knob on the side. It also has a motor port, a power plug-in port, handpiece hole, and a handpiece. So it's really nice. You could also place your handpiece within the electric nail drill. I also appreciate that it is 30,000 RPM, and I like how it also included the 6 extra, nail bit drills. I absolutely really appreciate that. And remember, just some precautions: never drop the handpiece, otherwise it can get damaged, and also the internal parts could cause like just abnormal behavior. So really be careful with it. And yeah, just put it at a suitable room temperature, keep it on your desk, keep it away from children. This is definitely not something to be played around with. So yeah, that is pretty much it. And it's really easy to use. All you do is connect the adapter to the drill machine, insert drill bit to the handpiece of your choice, and then remember to keep it at least 3 to 5 ml distance away from the tip of the handpiece, just to ensure reliable installation. So yeah, you just literally, it's very easy to switch the nail bits. You literally just pull it out and push it in, and that's literally how you do it. So yeah, really easy and very self-explanatory, and I really love the color. They also have it available in gray, I believe, but I decided to get this pink because I absolutely love pink. So here I'm just doing a quick preparation of my nails. I'm just going around the cuticle area, making sure that area is clean. And remember, if you guys want your nails to last, always dehydrate the nails, remove the shine off the nails, apply a primer. With primer, it is trial and error. Some will work, some won't. So it is all part of the learning experience with the nail journey. And then remember to apply some base coat, and then go ahead and start doing the whatever enhancement you're going to be doing. So yeah, very simple and very easy. Here I'm just going to show you fairly quickly how I like to prep my nails and clean around the area of the cuticles, because it's super important for no lifting. Remember, for there not to be no hangnails or anything like that, because we want our nails to stay on. But obviously for video purposes, I did go off camera and place a peel off coat. A peel off coat is something that you can purchase if you want to practice, or you tend to just record a lot like I do. So yeah, behind the scenes, I did go ahead and put a peel off coat, because I did take these nails right off after. And by the way, let me know down below in the comments what you guys thought about this nail design. Very simple and really cute. I feel like everyone could wear it honestly all year round. When it comes to nails, I believe you can wear whatever you want to wear, whatever colors you like or make you feel happy. That is all that matters. So yeah, I definitely loved this particular nail set that I did. Very simple, very easy. And yeah, remember, the learning experience of the nail journey is just so fun within itself. I believe, I don't know, I really just enjoy trying new things. And even if I don't always get it the first time, the second, or it takes me months to learn a certain thing, I really actually just enjoy the experience of learning when it comes to anything and nail related. So yeah guys, here I am just showing you the way that I clean up around the cuticle area and all that. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Hit that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. So I hope you guys enjoy. So now I'm using these nails that Double Dip did send me in a prior video. So these are by Velavina, and here I am just using their jelly tips. Really amazing. They have all types of sizes and shapes. Definitely make sure to check them out. I will have my link down below, my affiliate link, just in case you guys are interested in purchasing anything to Double Dip as well. So here I'm just quickly sizing out the nails, and these are in medium coffin, but they have different sizes like I mentioned, lengths, etc, and very inexpensive. This is only $19.99 plus a discount code that you guys could click with the affiliate link. It comes out to even less, so definitely very affordable. And then next we're going to be moving on to the 4-in-1 base coat from Velavina as well, that you can purchase through Double Dip, and this is also very inexpensive. I don't remember at the top of my head the price, but yeah. Before I put any of those things on though, because I am doing the apres method, so I'm just going in really quick and I'm going in and roughening up the inside of the nails. That is just for better adhesion. And now I'm going to go ahead, apply the extension gel, place it on, and then I'm going to use this Model 1's lamp that is literally perfect for this, which is a video that I actually posted yesterday. If you guys are interested in watching, I did show the Model 1's nail tips and glue kit. Really awesome. Absolutely loved it. So here I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly apply all the nails on. Absolutely love this method. Super easy, super effective, super efficient. Like, it just doesn't get easier or quicker than this. So definitely recommend you guys try this type of method out from whatever company you guys desire, but it's definitely worth it. And I think everybody should have that, you know, in their collection, whether they decide to do it all the time or not. So after I'm done doing that, placing all the nails on, I'm just grabbing the fine sanding man. It does include 50 of these, and then I'm gonna go around the cuticle area and just from cuticle to free edge, just gonna go ahead and blend it in, and also remove the shine off the nail, since I will be applying my own top coat, and then I'm also going to be applying the gel polish. After all this, you would obviously apply some base coat, but I just forgot. But yeah, here I'm just going to be doing that, and I'll let you guys enjoy the process. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to talk about very briefly my thoughts and opinions on the drill. Honestly, I really liked it. I thought it was super cute. The design is really different, which I really appreciated. Something different, something new, and also very compact, cute, and sleek. Absolutely loved it. The color is just super beautiful. It is like a baby pink, but it also has shimmer in it. It's just gorgeous, and honestly, it worked very well, cleaned very nicely around the cuticle area. The drill itself it's really nice, and I like that it's minimal noise as well, and it's very strong and powerful. I love how it also goes up to 30K 30,000 or 30k RPM. But yeah, honestly, I have no complaints. Very inexpensive, very affordable as well. If you guys don't want to spend $200 to $300 on a drill, this is definitely one of the ones to look into. I think this is no more than $50, honestly. It's probably like $40, $50, or $30. I'm not 100% sure, but I will have all the information down in the description box below for you guys to check out if you are interested. But yeah, honestly, it did the job. It looked beautiful. I have no complaints. You guys will see for yourselves. So yeah, honestly, I'm so blessed and so grateful that they sent me this over, because now I could add it to my collection, and it's just one of my new added nail drills to my collection that is just really, really nice and works great and is efficient and inexpensive, which I absolutely love. So next we're moving on to the rest of the preparation process. I'm just grabbing a miniature buffer and smoothing out the nails. And now we're just going to move on to some quick and light shaping and filing. I just like to make my nails a little bit more crisp, so that's what I'm doing here. And then we're going to move on to painting the nails. The polish that I use is from Beetles, and it is 765. That is the number, and this is from their jelly collection, and it is once again a Beetles gel polish. This is a jelly collection. It does include 6 in total. Very, very stunning, and the bottle size was actually really great in that particular collection of 6 gel polishes. Each polish is 7.3 ml, so I absolutely love it. And honestly, I don't think I've done many jelly colored sets on my channel, so I really, really loved this one, and the color was so beautiful. Off camera, you obviously could always see it better off camera, but on camera I don't really know if it was catching the color 100%, but it is like a coral color. It's definitely a coral jelly color, and it's just super beautiful. I absolutely love this, something different. You know, I know right now we're in the middle of the spooky season and fall and all that, but I just definitely wanted to bring in some bright colors into this particular set. Not that it has multiple colors, I literally just use one gel polish. When I do short nails, I try to keep it simple but cute, because I feel like when it comes to short nails, I like keeping it simple, but that's just me. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. And by the way, I did mention in my last video, and I will mention it in this one as well, the way that I prefer to paint when I'm using gel polish is I like to start from 3/4 of the nail, or at least half of the nail, but I like to start from the free edge all the way up to the cuticle area, and I like to leave a space between the cuticle and the actual nail bed. So I like to keep a little gap there just to give it that beautiful plush look, and it just makes the manicure or whatever you're working with look just so gorgeous and just so put together, in my personal opinion. Instead of bringing the polish all the way to the cuticle area, I like to leave that gap in between. But yeah, that is the way that I paint. And remember, always kind of try to calculate how much polish you're going to be applying onto the nail. I like to calculate how much polish I'm gonna need throughout the nail, and that definitely really helps. Just take your time, and trust me, you'll master painting in no time. I literally didn't know how to paint my nails, and now I paint them beautifully, in my personal opinion. I definitely think I have gotten a lot better, so I'm really happy about that. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the process. And another tip that I enjoy doing is that I like, as soon as I'm done painting one nail, curing it right away, just for it doesn't move or smudge or anything. I want the nail to be perfect as can be, so that is why I cure it right after I am done painting it. After I was done painting, I just went in with some Ohuhu glossy top coat, and I'm going to be applying this onto all the nails and then curing it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. And that is really all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. It means the absolute world to me. Thank you guys are amazing. I can't appreciate you all enough. So I love you all, and I'll see you guys next time.